Morning. So today I think I will be vlogging because today is my last day for my intern. Ini akan jadi my last intern for my whole life. There's no more intern for me, okay? Tomorrow is the last day untuk my, but today is last day at the office. So I think I will be late sebab sekarang pukul 8.30 and I have to be at the office at 9. Saya tengah berjalan ke LRT. Just macam nak cerita, sebenarnya saya lambat sebulan from my other friend. Maksudnya lambat sebulan habis intern lah. Sebab everyone started at March. But saya start in April. Kena habiskan dalam tempoh masa intern lah. Maksudnya kena drag sebulan. But it's okay. It is what it is. Life must go on. You have to be brave. Cik. Today I'm planning to buy macam some food for my office mate, like for some appreciation lah untuk mereka, sebab mereka kind to me. They are nice co-workers. So I'm planning to do that. I have arrived. It's my last day at the office. So this is the office guys. Biasanya saya akan duduk di luar, tapi disebabkan there are two of my co-workers yang pergi training, so I can sit in the office.
Training room dia is next to bio.
I want to bring you guys to my favorite kedai runcit. Sebab sini murah and ada banyak makanan. I would like to show you guys the prayer room. So di sinilah saya bertandas. Dia ada shower. Kita bolehlah solat kat sini sebab dia bersih kan, sebab tak ada orang masuk sana. Inilah cermin favourite saya. I'm recording.
Level Aisyah.
I beli donut for my office mate. Today is my last day, so I want to belanja dia orang. Donut je lah Donut je lah yang mampu.
Habis bulan.
See, company so poor, we don't have electricity.
Aisyah, we should do the TikTok lah.
TikTok? What TikTok?
TikTok yang tadi tu.
But you guys see.
Thank
What?
you. Makan. Oh Aisyah, memang taklah nak makan 3.
Boleh bawa balik.
It's okay.
It's okay, macam ni kita makan ni.
It's okay, Putri. Your diet never started.
Eh, who say?
I don't say. The you do.
Eh.
Eh.
Dah lama lah saya cakap.
I wanted to get her to do my social media.
That's all for my last day at the office as an intern. So I want to thanks to Putri, Kamal, Darudin, Brian, Collie and Halkid for being such a good friends to me during my intern here. I feel so welcoming and comfortable to work with you guys. Okay guys, lepas sejam saya kena sidai dan baru sampai. It's 6:30. I wait here 5:30.
Makan di mana?
This the late people. I wait for 1 hour.
Alah sorry lah. You can put kita orang utamakan yang benar dulu tau. Tuhan Maha Esa. record dia nak Allah. Tadi dia macam interview. Mana okey? Geber.
Ni habis intern. Not yet, tomorrow. Dan kita orang berada di
Late
sepatah
cabin.
kata-kata sepanjang internship ni. So, apa yang saya dapat ialah pengalaman.
How you feel for being internship in here, and how does it feel? How you feel you in for internship but your mother is still not in good condition. So how did you feel and how did you survive
I
this
need to
situation?
speak in English or Mandarin.
Oh, you can speak
Yeah.
both of it you can.
Yeah, I can.
Silakan.
In Korea also I can. What I feel, I feel good and I feel
Like a shit. Wait, dah sampai. You can speak in Malay also.
no, I want to speak English.
Or you can mix both and
No, I want to
Malay.
speak
Okay,
English.
go.
I want to speak English.
Oh yeah, alright.
First, when I enter AZT, I feel like okay lah.
Promote your editing.
No, I want to
okay.
because I have my friend also internet there named Yasmin and hey, listen to me.
Okay, sorry.
And what are you talk about?
Ni pasal tu, tunjuk kat dia apa? Yang tu.
Ha, memang mau kenal pun.
Bukanlah. Okay lah, ada rahsia.
As you asked just now, how I feel about my mother. Life must go on.
Kuat sangat nanti. Life. #life must go on.
Jauh sikit.
Oh, kau pegang tangan aku tadi.
Jauh sikit tak selesa.
Apa cium? Dua, tiga.
Video.
Tengah buat video. Cepat, cakap lagi. Cakap.
Hari ni adalah
Cantik lah.
Putrajaya.
Terengganu. Wani, sini.
Korang boleh buat trend tu lah yang TikTok tu.
Ada.
Ha? Kek! Umar tak ada video.
Lama sekali.
Yeay!
Sekejap. Aku yang
Kena buat balik yang buka tu.
tak payahlah. Dah lah tu. Okey lah tu.
Nanti boleh jadi trend TikTok.
Memanglah tu nak buat macam trend TikTok buka bonnet tu
You
kan.
buat portrait yang tadi record?
Landscape.
Record balik.
Nak lari kejap Umar.
Thank you to my friend Haifa, Umay dan Yasmin.
Jom.
Kau kena intern habis. Nampak lagi. Cepat jerit paling kuat. Jerit paling kuat. Tadi kita orang pergi kafe dan kita orang tak kenyang sebab kita orang nak order tu dia sold out. So kita orang terpaksa stop one stop lagi untuk makan, which is food truck dekat Putrajaya. So I order nasi goreng kuning.
Jadi dia tepi nasi.
Oh, penat dah.
Ada tepi-tepi tu je. Tak pergi mana pun.
Kalau ada tu penat. Kalau aku duduk sini berhenti getah sini.
Alah biasa gitu.
Makan ada penat. Kalau ada penat macam manja lebih.
Dia mana ni? Tahu lah. Ya Allah.
So kita ada kelas mandu pula
Sama
sama Yasmin.
dan Haifa.
She will drive.
So season 2 Mindra dekat Putrajaya. Sibet. Kita nak yakin Ryu. Slow. Orang tengah lari. Orang tengah lari. Di sini break dulu, tengok macam mana ada ketok-ketok. Kita nak jalan. Okay. Yay! Big clap to me.
Next drive to Johor.
Okay. Sila.
I want you to come bring me my blue.